Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then the answer to this question is very simple and very easy, that this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a wide variety of very beautiful and very classically made hand embroidered face mask. Yes friends, you have heard right. You have been seeing a number of very beautiful remarkable design ideas. There are a number of design ideas and number of hand embroidery stitches with the help of which you can make them. So now let's discuss them one by one in detail. Firstly, as you all could see, that you can use anchor, DMC or whatever embroidery wool you want to make these stitches. These are very soft, lightweight. You can wear them throughout the whole day with a very ease and comfortable environment. They give no rashes, no skin allergic reactions. These are soft layered, 3-layered cotton or soft linen face masks, and you can make these embroidery patterns for a number of many other reasons as well. The only designs shown in this video are made on face masks only, but these embroidery patterns could be used in a number of ways. You can make these embroidery patterns onto your pillow covers, cushion covers, and for the designing of your dresses as well. You can make them onto your dresses as all over kurti designs, frocks, lady dresses, and much more friends. I hope that my today's video collection would be very eye-catching, mesmerizing and entertaining for you, and you are liking the whole designs as well. And if unfortunately you are unable to get those classy and amazing ideas which you were opting for, then no need to worry about. You can simply go to my channel's face mask designs playlist and you can get thousands of variety of designs of face masks. And COVID-19 has very pandemically affected a massive number of human beings, so it is very important for us to wear masks while living out. And not only you can stay protected from viral infections, but these face masks would help you to remain healthy, pretty, beautiful with a younger looking skin, as they could protect you from sunburn, suntan, and at the same time some sort of minor acute breathing problems, some pollen allergies, dust allergy, anti-pollution, and so on. So friends, don't go anywhere. If you really like this video, don't forget to like. If you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And on my channel you can get classy, crazy, very graceful, crazy, unique, funky and latest trendy ideas related to women fashion. So stay tuned, stay connected and keep watching my content as you always have been. We will soon be back along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care.